We have the answers. Watch this DVD.
How many times have I asked this question to young people in my counseling group? Why did you start using drugs? Their answer, a friend introduced me. I want to tell you something today. If you tell me a friend introduced you, that wasn't your friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, that was an assassin that wants to kill you. They want to murder you. The drug lords out there is not your best friend. You might think the drug lord is your therapist. When you have problems, he gives you a powder, a tablet, some dacha to smoke, and it helps. But that is not the answer. They are the real killers.